Duolingo is an iOS and Android application that allows users to learn a new language for absolutely no cost. To get started, simply search for and download the application from the App Store if you are using an Apple device, or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. You can also download it to your desktop if you're using Windows 8 or Windows 10. Once the installation is complete, simply tap on the application to open it. Click on Get Started to choose your language. In this example, we will be trying out the Spanish language. A message might pop up saying that Duolingo might send notifications to your device. Click OK if it does. You might get another message asking if you would like Duolingo to send you notifications. Click OK. You can change this later if you would like. Choose your goal depending on how much time you would be willing to dedicate each day to Duolingo, and then click Set Goal. You will then be asked if you are a beginner to your chosen language. If you aren't a beginner and you already understand some aspects of the language, you can take a placement test to determine where you can start. But we will start from the basics in this tutorial. You will be prompted to start the first lesson. In this screen, you can view which lesson you are on and the contents of the lesson. There are 3 lessons that make up the Basics 1 lesson set. You can choose to test out of all 3 lessons if you feel that you can confidently pass each of the lessons in the set. Click on Start to begin your very first lesson of the very first set. Some items are multiple choice questions. You will be asked to choose which choice best satisfies the prompt displayed on the screen. To choose your answer, simply tap on one of the 4 choices and click Check. If you are correct, you will see the green bar at the top of the screen increase in size slightly. Once this green bar reaches the right-hand side of the screen, you have successfully completed the lesson. If you get a question wrong, the correct answer will be prompted on the screen, and the green bar will move slightly to the left. The more questions you miss, the further left the green bar moves, and the harder you will have to work to complete the lesson. Some questions may ask you to translate a phrase. To answer these questions, simply drag the translated words in the word bank to the dotted box above in the order in which they appear in the given phrase. If you would like to hear the phrase out loud, you can tap on the volume icon next to the phrase. If you think you misplaced one or more words, you can simply drag them back to the word bank and try again. Click Check once you think you have the correct translation. Some items may require you to tap to pairs. In these type of problems, you must tap on groups of 2 words. You can start by tapping on a Spanish word and then choosing its English equivalent, or vice versa. Click Continue when you are done. Some items will require you to listen to a Spanish phrase and then type exactly what is said. In these items, you can tap on a volume icon to repeat the phrase at normal speed, or you can tap on the turtle icon to listen to a slowed down version of the phrase. Once you feel that what you have typed is correct, click Check. After each lesson that you complete, you can view your daily and your weekly progresses. You will receive experience points, or XP, for each lesson that you complete. You can also earn bonuses if you earn a streak by completing lessons on several consecutive days. That is the end of the Duolingo tutorial. Once you have completed the first lesson, you can move on to the other lessons at your own pace. We hope that you find this app useful. Buena suerte!